Hello, people. I hope people can hear
Hey,
us now.
hey everyone.
Please tell us if you can't hear us. I guess you will have to find out. So today it's just special and me uh, hanging out here. We lost Sparks to our beast, and we will take that advantage of not having Sparks with us to build the one module to rule them all. The module to change the Gamemode 4 experience forever. The module that will change the way you play Minecraft. Like, this module will be fit for a title like I used this brewing stand and you won't believe what happened next. Uh,
Oh, we forgot the clickbait in the video title, Blue. Come on.
Special, I
Darn.
tell you, we will go viral with this module. Like, we just need the right title and the right
I'll
thumbnail.
get the red circles.
Yeah, the red circles and the red arrows, they are important, and I think we can use them. Because today's module is, tomorrow's module, because we're so forward thinking. It's a module from the future. What is it, Special? Tell us.
We're working on Zobber liquids today.
Yeah, it's sour potions in liquid tanks.
We are combining two of the biggest Game Mode 4 modules.
To one thing that will hopefully be amazing.
Yeah.
Alright, let me just check our stream audio here. Sour
So
potions
just
in
in
liquid
case,
tanks.
this was an idea that we are combining. It's a module we started back in 1.12. We never got around to finishing it because Zobber Cauldrons back in 1.12 required sign shenanigan black magic stuff to get its the lore on all of the items to not look like lore. And because of that, we never got around to writing the sign code for the liquid tanks expansion for the Zobber potions. But now the data pack's around, we can do it without a hassle at all.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that will
Although
be
I
nice.
just realized, Blue. We are gonna have to. This is gonna have to be updated to 1.14 as well. We are still doing this in 1.13, by the way, because we haven't updated the stream server. We need a certain eight-legged fella to do that. So, yep.
Yep.
So we're developing this in 1.13, and we're gonna update it to 1.14 shortly after. The only thing we'll have to change is all the lore on all of your items.
Yeah. Of course, in 1.14 we'll have a custom texture pack. It won't be necessary. You can download it. It's optional. But I think, Special, we should take this advantage of the custom texture pack and should actually incorporate the red circles into the game using the texture pack.
Oh dear.
Like, imagine that. That way we wouldn't even have to make custom thumbnails anymore. We just make all the items of red circles.
Yeah. Just take a screenshot in game.
And we can actually use a language pack to change the name of the pickaxes to I dug stone with this pickaxe, and you won't believe what happened next.
Yeah.
I'm putting it on a list. Alright, so let me just add him up here.
I put the portal link in there, and all of the files should be transferring over for us that we'll need.
Let me just pull up the streaming soon. Can you open something? Because I can't see a thing yet.
Oh yeah, I don't have anything open. I'm letting all the files load in for me to open.
Don't worry, the stream isn't not live anymore. We are still here. I'm just opening at them. Because we are professionals and we like to be prepared like this, and this is just like a little screen to put some tension in here to make you more excited for Adam opening up. So don't worry.
Huh, I did something wrong. There's only two functions in the liquid tanks.
Do you have things open yet?
No, because there are no functions in liquid tanks.
Alright then. I guess we'll stay here and wait for Special to...
Okay, I have a JSON file open.
By the way, guys, you can, if you're watching this live, you can join us either on our Discord, in our stream channel for live audio, which we aren't in yet. Special, can you fix that?
Yeah.
Or you can even join us on the server, on here, live. The IP is stream.gm4.co, and you can just hop in and watch development live, burn yourself in lava.
Yeah. We have a little bit of hype coming up with our stream world. We're getting a couple changes are coming up, so keep your eyes open for some neat stuff.
There we go.
Dragon's been hard at work at making some secrets that will come to probably when Sparks gets back.
Alright, so we should probably set up a Zauber Cauldron and...
Yes.
And liquid tanks. Do we have liquid tanks on here? I think you did that, right?
It's currently uploading.
Alright.
But it's not loaded in, so if you want to work on the...
I will get us a Zauber tank. Zauber Cauldron, there we go. Alright.
How about we just, spack it on the roof up here, because we've stopped trying to be clean.
Yep, sure.
Dragon logged on the other day and was like, "What have you done to my poor stage?" And we're like, "Uh-oh."
Can we just this here, this here, this here, cauldron. There's a cauldron for us. Some water and hold another book. There we go. Zauber Cauldron ready for testing. You can get all these modules on our website, by the way. So let me just pull this up. gm4.co/modules.
Yeah, all of our published websites are available for download on our website. Published websites? Published modules. I can speak, don't worry. I know this language.
There you go, so you can just go here, and the modules we're using today are Zauber Cauldrons, which is this one. Available for 1.14 and 1.13. And liquid tanks, which isn't on here yet, or is it?
It's going. I don't know if you guys can tell, we're kind of stalling for time as liquid tanks uploads. There's only 224 files.
Special.
And our FTP is kind of slow right now.
Special, you can't admit we're stalling for time. Like, we've got to keep this professional. We are just building up tension. Like, building up, like, making the viewer... We want to prepare the viewer mentally for the awesomeness that's about to come.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, Qbert, Zauber liquids are not implemented into the tank yet, but that's what we're working on. There isn't a 1.12 that we released. There's a half-finished version laboring somewhere in one of my downloads files, but yeah.
Yeah, so if you're not familiar with liquid tanks was that massive module we did a long stream on back in 2015, I think. And
I wasn't around then.
At some point we decided to update it from 1.8 to 1.9. And Special was so kind to do all of the updating by himself. He's a nice guy. He does things like that.
I more got tricked into it, but that's fine.
And he was also a nice guy again and updated the entire monster to 1.13 functions, which is the new Game of War standard. And that includes, by default, I think, water and lava, right? And XP?
Yeah, so the standard liquids, in 1.12 we split the module into expansions and a base, because previously it was one giant module that had all of the liquids, and I knew a couple people who were like, "Hey, I want to install this module, but I'm not going to use any of the potion liquids. Do you have a version that's just the, water, lava, and soups? Because those are the ones I want to use, and my computer's not necessarily strong enough to run some of the others." And there wasn't one, so in 1.12 we split it into a base module for the tank and then liquid expansions. But then once 1.13 came around, we were like, well, why don't we just package standard liquids with the base, because we thought there's never anyone who's just gonna want like potion liquids. So
yeah, so Sauber liquids are different from potion liquids in that Sauber liquids, well, the vanilla potion liquids only allow for vanilla potions, so that's like these level 1 to level 2 extended stuff, while Sauber liquids are especially broken to use the potions you can craft with this module, which are, for example, what are we gonna do special? Let's do leaping. Like with Sauber cauldrons, you can get crystals and a golden apple, and you can get yourself a potion of level 4. That's special kindly picked up there.
Sorry, I'm currently setting up the files.
Yeah, you can get yourself a potion of level 4, and Sauber liquids allows you to store those in liquid tanks, which will allow you to, I don't know, murder people. I guess you could make instant kill traps using the instant damage 4.
Probably. That's a little bit terrifying, but...
That bunny is terrifying as well.
We're just gonna let it roam around. Okay, now liquid tanks direction. I'm trying to do 40 things at once. Apologies.
I should stop whistling. We have also recently released our custom enchant module, which is called Metallurgy. It's basically custom enchants, but it's different in a way. So I can just demonstrate this on here because we've got a working version on here. So Metallurgy allows you to, there's a TNT in there now, it allows you to blast open rock and you will get ores, special ores, like this bauxite lump that contains aluminium. Aluminium, not aluminum. And you can use those ores to put on like little, you can put on like metal bands onto your tools like this, and then they give you special things. For example, this one made from aluminium is on this pair of leather boots, and it allows you to levitate. Like if we start here, we can levitate in a certain circle, which is indicated by these rings. And yeah, it's nice and useful. So if you're into custom enchants and crazy enchanting stuff, look into that if you'd like to. It's not available publicly yet, but it will go public on the website soon, in about a week, I guess. It's currently on a beta test on the server, and our players were so kind to give us plenty of bug reports to fix, and those have been fixed.
Oh yeah. Big modules never are just easy. Everything always goes wrong. It's really funny, actually. Okay, Sauber liquids, functions.
I recently got myself a wireless charger, and it's so good when you're working on a desk, because then you don't have to struggle with plugging your phone in to the charging cable and out of it again, or you don't have to worry about the cable getting tangled and stuff. Oh no. Let me be right back. Special will keep you guys informed.
I'll entertain people? Okay. Hello. I would do a jig, but I don't think anyone would really notice. So, yeah. I'm currently in the process of setting up the expansion pack because we didn't do this beforehand.
Alright, so I hope Special kept you entertained here. I am back now. Yeah, so I had some technical issues there. Whilst we were waiting for Special to upload the files, I sprinkled some Coke onto my keyboard, which isn't good at all.
I'm surprised. This is. I don't know if you guys can tell. We're a little bit. We're not used to streaming without Sparks. He kind of does a lot of the fancy stuff that we're not quite used to yet, but we'll get there. So I think we're about ready to start on the stuff. I've got enough files that we can do things now. Why don't we just package standard?
That Special kindly picked up.
Can you see this stuff blue? Sorry, I'm currently sitting.
Yeah, Special is kind of quiet on here. Let me fix that. How do I... Special, can you say something real quick?
Hi.
How do I go about this? Probably like this and like this. Alright, Special, say something again.
Hi.
That should be better now, I think.
Bananas.
Can people confirm? The people in the stream chat said that you are kind of loud versus me.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's better now. I hope it is. We'll see. Alright, so yeah. Like Special said, we're not the best at streaming admittedly, but I hope we'll keep you entertained for at least a couple of hours tonight.
Can you see this function? A couple of hours. Sheesh.
Special. This is the one module to rule them all. You can't forget
good point.
That. Yep, I can see it.
Okay, cool. So I just updated all these to say Zauber, except I misspelled that one. And that's one function down, 223 to go.
Okay, is this meant to be potion liquids on the right there?
Which one?
Yeah, you fixed it, it's fine.
Yeah, we gotta get all these ready. Okay, so I think that's all the base stuff ready. Oh, we got a bunch of tags to make though. Let's see. So the way that expansions work is there's a series of functions that Liquid Tanks has that a series of function tags that are called, and each of those function tags does things like runs all of the liquid initialization, or runs all the items that drain liquid or fill liquid and stuff like that. And so each of those events is controlled by a function tag. So we have to add all of those tags.
Is Liquid Tanks up yet?
Yes, it should be. If you reload it, should do a thing.
Loading.
We'll find out.
There we go. Okay, let's get a liquid tank here. What's missing?
A hopper.
Shapeless, right? I think.
Yep. Oh, not that cruel.
There we go. There's a liquid tank, and you can store liquid like my XP. And now I've filled it with my XP. How much XP do I have? A bunch. Can get my XP back like this. There we go. Now it's empty again.
Okay, so we should probably start with liquid initialization, adding the actual potion types.
Alright, so take me.
So
take me there.
so we have liquid init JSON file, which just is, or whoops, I named it wrong.
Do I have a chest full of Zauber stuff? Let me just get a chest of stuff for us, can I? I don't think I can, because it's on a 1.14 world, damn it. Let me get the command block though. So any operation on Zauber Cauldron consumes a third of a bucket, so I don't want to refill that constantly, so we'll just do a set block here. Set block. Oh, we can do that. Oh. Set block -1 cauldron, and we'll do the level equals 3. And now we can just put this on full on auto to keep this cauldron full if we want to. I've got a weird thing to show you guys. So if we just, with Zauber Cauldrons you can get these wormhole potions. They take you to wherever they were made. In this case they will take you to the end. Does someone know why the water is transparent in the cauldron in the end? Like here you can see it in there, it's transparent, but if I grab wormhole again and go back to the overworld, these wormholes are part of Zauber Cauldrons and they were made in the respective cauldrons I'm teleporting to. This one isn't transparent, which is super weird. And if I now grab one for the nether, here, loading the terrain. Come on, nether. There we go. This one isn't transparent either, but if we, like, for some reason this end cauldron has transparent water in it, and I'm not sure why.
Alright, we're ready to go.
Special says we're ready to go, so let's go then.
Okay, so how many different potions are there? There's like, what, 6, right? I think?
I don't remember. Let me just go through them and let me... Do we have a chest?
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so let me get a chest. Can you just... yeah, I will use a hopper. A hopper is faster than use special, I'm sorry. Alright, there is... there's jump boost. There is speed. There is... instant health. Instant damage. There's poison. There's regen. There's strength. And that's it. 7.
So 7, alright.
So you can use these potions in a... Actually, let me just get one of them for us. One of each.
You start converting those to the level 4s, and I will start setting up files. So we have, in the tank init function, it just detects if the if an item that would cause an empty tank to become a particular type of liquid, and then it summons the display armor stand and all sorts of score stuff.
Alright, so how Zauber works is you can upgrade any of these potions. These potions are basically the ones that have a level 2. Like, there would be no use in upgrading fire resistance potion to level 4 because it doesn't help you. Neither does night vision. Weakness doesn't have a level 2. The only thing that does have level 2 and is not upgradable is slowness, and that's because there's the Turtle Master Potion slowness thingy. So actually there is no slowness level 2. Yeah, I'm fairly sure you can't make slowness level 2 in survival. Yeah, so the way you do this is just drop in the potion, drop in the crystal. You don't have to worry about picking up the items as long as you're looking at the portal, at the cauldron, not the portal. The items won't be pick upable. Chuck in a golden apple. There we go. You have a level 4 jump boost potion. These also create some side effects. Just don't worry about it. Yeah, just put that to the side. Swiftness. There we go, there's swiftness. This has what's called... I get them confused now. One is a bad consequence and one is a side effect. This has a side effect, which is weakness. Use this, but you get super quick using this. Then we can make the healing. That's not how recipes work. In case you drop in wrong stuff, just look upwards. It's healing, and this would certainly kill us in survival mode. Glad we are not in survival mode. Come back. But this is healing 4, which is quite a bit of health. I think that fills up 12 hearts, so instant healing basically for all your health.
Alright, so the items that you have in Zauber don't have a custom tag on them, which will make this a little bit trickier, but that's okay.
The potions?
Yeah.
Don't the potions have a custom tag? Didn't I give them like...
These don't have one. Unless this is an outdated Zauber.
Then they don't have one. Why didn't I do that? Oh well.
Well, okay, so for the levitation potion, which is added by potion liquids, I just used the vanilla potion tag, and instead of using like Minecraft leaping, I did potion liquids leaping, or potion liquids floating. So we'll need, either we can check for the specific custom potion data, custom effect data, custom potion effects of the item, or see if there's a custom item, custom tag on some of them.
Here's a little trick for you guys. If you craft a harming potion inside a Zauber cauldron, you get a harming 4 potion, which is totally useless because you can't make these into splash potions. But it also spawns an area effect cloud that gives you instant health, and that will stay forever. So you can just have it linger there, and if you walk in, you get instant health. It uses up some part of it, but if you want like a regen station, that's the way to go.
Oh, hello.
It's always the same with these pesky potions. Can you... Yeah. So regen, there we go. And now the strength potion.
Oh, I stole it.
I got it. There we go, that's plus 12 attack damage. Alright, so I have all the potions here. Let me just put those in here. Should have put a custom tag on these. We could draw an update for Zauber if we wanted to, because that's a thing that should be there, I feel like.
I mean, it sounds good to me. I'd be down for that. It's just changing the potion once a little bit.
Yeah, but then again, if we detected like the actual potion 4, then it would be compatible with any potion 4. So Zauber liquids would cover any level 4 potion. Well, like even potion 4 level 4 potions not made by Zauber. Like if someone had another module on their server, their client.
Which might be weird, I guess. I don't know.
I would like
would
it
be
actually.
Weird? Although the chances of the words, it would have to be testing for the exact potion, custom potion effects tag. So I have one of the Zauber functions open. If you hop to me and add them.
Well, we can skip after we can just delete the duration and. Huh.
We could also just change the thing that I've highlighted this to.
I don't think that works special.
Yeah, because you have custom potion effects, so this part of the tag is completely ignored.
I think it's still used for the color. I'm fairly certain.
Is it?
Yeah.
Doesn't custom potion effects do that?
No, not automatically. Like, you can apply custom color if you want to, but if we went for a custom potion tag, I would go for like West tag, go for GM for Zauber Cauldrons, and go for the standard thing. Do we want to update it? Yeah, we should. This should have like a custom tag anyways. Can you open one of the armor commands special? Yeah, so Zauber armor. Windows, why are you giving me notifications all of a sudden? Zauber armor. Alright, so let's push update for Zauber here. And let's do this, I guess. Does this look good to you?
Looks good to me.
Alright, let's.
Alright, so.
I'll just grab this. And we'll need every single one of these.
Yep. Or let's just do one for now to see if it works. So if you jump to me, this is the tank init. You'll want to throw that tag in here.
Where are you at? Reloading.
You still there?
I'm still there. I'm just opening.
Okay, cool.
Opening the stream again so I can read chat because I didn't have that open for some reason. I'm just.
All right.
All right. I am back in the stream chat now. We have XP in here again. 50 levels. There we go, 15 levels. Alright. In case you have a function open, I can't see that unless you're still in instant damage.
I do still have a couple open. I'm just looking at your instant damage function. You stuck the custom item data into the display tag.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Yeah,
that's fine.
That wasn't intended. Is it still balanced brackets now?
No, I just moved it. We're all good now.
Cool.
Can you see you tanking it?
Let me jump to your position. There we go, I can see tank in it, yep. Oh, I see, so now we just need... Oh, that's fancy. I like your thing.
This does have some redundant stuff. For example, the custom name stuff, it gets removed in 1.14, but we'll keep it there for now.
So I will just replace this with farming, and while we're at it, I will actually go through and put this on all of these.
Okay.
Can you go ahead and edit them accordingly? There we go. Okay, so that's the function that basically it's called when we want to add stuff to a fresh tank, right?
Yeah, to an empty tank, this gets called.
Neat.
So, we changed the instant damage one here, right? So we'll, do we want to run through all the potion types in Zauber quickly?
Yep, we should do that.
Here's instant health. Let me know, can you see it?
There we go. Let's healing. Yep, next one. That's a lot of them. That's
just lock to my cursor.
Locking to your cursor.
Do you see anything?
I see summon TNT.
What?
Yeah, the last one. Invalid potion type doesn't need it. But I think
oh,
we
that you don't need that? Okay, cool. Gotcha. Jump boost.
Let me hop to you. There we go. Jump boost. I'm copying it in now. Am I in the right location? I hope I am.
Yep.
Leaping. Next one.
Poison.
There we go. Poison. Next one.
See it?
Yep. There we go. That's speed. Alright, next one. Regeneration. I already did speed, so if we
already did speed.
Go to regen.
Strength.
Go to regen first, please.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I had it open for. I thought you did that one. My bad.
Regen. Regeneration. Alright, next one, please.
Speed. I already did speed, right? No,
Speed
you already did strength.
I thought speed was done.
What? Oh, this is an armor one that I'm in. Strength. Here we go.
Strength. Strength is such a weird word.
It is. Especially when you have to spell strong strength a million times for potion liquids. That's fun.
But that should be all of them, I hope.
Should be. We'll find out in a minute. Alright, do you want to remake our potions, and then I will make these functions? That get called here.
Let me help you out here. Poison vision isn't a thing that exists. Strength. There we go.
Alright, so you made a bunch of, if you want to reload and remake all of our Zauber things to make sure the tag's actually on there. And I'll start adding these files.
Yep, I'm remaking the potions now. Reload. And let me check for errors on the server console. Sadly, we can't show the server console on stream, because that will show the IPs of people, and that's not nice. So sorry for that. Bees, no bees, Toffee, no bees. Sparks took the bees.
Unfortunately. Yeah. Sparks is doing his other job today, so he can't join us.
Crystals, but Toffee, don't worry, we're doing the module that will rule them all, so be glad you joined. You have it's basically a once in your lifetime opportunity to watch us as professionals do a module. We will teach you our ways, and this module will, like we mentioned earlier, it will go viral. Like, there is no doubt about this. This is mind-boggling, and it's breaking. Especially if you picked up my potion. It's breaking the boundaries.
Sorry, I'll back up.
What was possible. Oh no. Which one is which? Yeah, it's breaking the boundaries of what was possible with Minecraft, and it's just like, sometimes in your life you need to push forwards, and this is what we are doing. We're pushing the boundaries, and we're just making progress. Right.
I've got to restart Adam, unfortunately.
Oh no.
Yeah.
While Special is doing that, Toffee just reminded me. There's more spiders. If we want to go viral for real, we need to use catchy hashtag Special.
And what do you suggest?
Can we do hashtag red circle?
Oh dear.
And in case we
Luke,
do that,
remember not to show the stream key, the portal key on stream.
Before Kuroko joins again.
Yeah.
And another question is, if we do hashtag red circle, do we have to make sure we don't accidentally draw a red ellipse, because that will attract sea bears?
I don't know what that means. What in the world? Uncaught error file. So I restarted, and it says file already exists. Okay, give me a second. I gotta manually go to my temp directory and delete a file. Okay. Luckily, it gave me the full file path that was causing an error. 8CAE. In 113 data packs, Zobber liquids, data, Zobber liquids, functions. Okay. So there is I made a mistake earlier. I did not give a file file extension. And because of that, the folder name was the file, and that was messing everything up. Oh, yes, Toffee. At one point, Kroppa joined the portal because Sparks accidentally put the portal key on stream.
That was me, right. Not Sparks.
Oh, that was you?
Yep.
Whoops, my bad.
That was me. Sparks would never make such a mistake. Alright, let me just mute the stream here so I can actually view our portal key for we are getting invaded again. For the bottle. There we go. Yeah, so the setup we're using here to do these functions, most of you probably already know because it's like a common thing to do. Well, we've explained it like 100 times. The setup we're using here is a combination of Atom, text editor, with Teletype, which allows you to edit with your friends, and FTP remote edit. The later is the problem because that one frequently does hiccups and you get desynced and horrible things like that happen. So, yeah.
It's not as bad as it can get, but like if you don't, like occasionally things pop up and then it's super annoying, but most of the time it treats us pretty good. I think there's only one more to do. Strength. Strength, speed, regen, poison, leaping, healing, harming. Alright. So now inside these will be fancy stuff. We'll start with leaping, I guess. Jump to my page, Blue.
I'm already
Should be in a leaping function.
on your mouse click, whatever. Like, there's no word for tracking you down by sticking to your mouse pointer. There's no expression for that. Which worries me these days.
This is the function that runs when the tank gets initialized. So in this case, we have, what do we want to call it? A Zauber leaping potion?
Yep, probably. Zauber leaping sounds good to me.
Alright. All of these custom name stuff, of course, will be converted to translation tags once we get to 114. The texture will be the same as this normal leaping. We'll add a Zauber to the tag. And I think that's all we have to do, actually.
Empty will stay like this? Yeah, probably.
Yep.
The texture will stay the same.
That's a generic tag.
Is there any custom text in here?
Nope.
No.
All this does is summon the display armor stand, really. So there's the display armor stand, renaming the tank, and setting the scores. And the max should be 300, because it is a potion.
Let's try this then.
There's other things we gotta do before it'll work, fun fact. A whole list of things.
Damn it.
Yeah.
I thought this was easy.
It is. It's easier than it was before. So now we also need to add that tag to this file, which is a list of all of the liquid tags. So that way when a tank's emptied, all of the stuff goes away. So what was the tag we just named it? Zauber leaping?
It was Jim4_LT_Zauber_leaping.
Alright, there we go. And then this will also be harming, healing, leaping, poison, regeneration, strength, and speed.
Wait. Here we go.
Yeah, I was putting them in alphabetical order, my bad. So there's all the tags. So that file's done. And
I will just stick to your cursor here. Follow your trail. Who hurt my rabbit? Somebody hit my rabbit. You can't just hit my rabbit. Toffee just hit my rabbit. Why would he hit my rabbit? No, you can't set fire to my rabbit.
What? What is going on?
He's trying to murder my rabbit. No one can set fire to my rabbit. I'm just watching special now.
So now we have to do that same thing we did with leaping to all the others. Oh, something just reloaded. No.
What happened to my spider?
There's a big error in loading an entity. Huh. Wonder what happened. Weird.
I can tell you that a spider died.
Weird. Alright, so here's harming. Zauber harming.
You know what this stream is missing to be real professional? Like a really professional stream. Like if we were, and we are professionals. If we were like pro professionals, like those guys that have 4K in their username, and two X's to make sure they are professionals.
Not to be confused with 3 though, because that's a whole different.
3 is too
profession.
much. Yeah. So those guys in their streams, they have music. We don't have that. We need to change that, and to do that, I just wrote a mod which implements this new state block. It's called a Toolbox. It's default on all Minecraft clients by default, and it comes with 12 disks. There we go. That's better and quite melancholic.
That's not, what do you call it? Ominous at all.
Alright, let me put up something better here. Like, this is too melancholic. Let me also turn down the music volume a bit. That's better. Perfect music.
Oh dear. I don't like this disc at all.
It's fine, don't worry. I listen to it every day. It's my favorite.
That's concerning. It won't let me open speed for some reason. This is really creepy. Wow. Okay, we'll just not do speed for now because I don't know exactly what's going on. But yeah. So that should be all of the textures in. So now we do.
You can't just summon my rabbit. Now there's an. That's not a rabbit. I guess you just killed my rabbit. I'm getting out of this. Okay, let's get back to coding here. Oh hell no, where are we now?
Item drain. Next one on the list.
So I guess this looks for items inside the tank?
Yep.
Alright, so we need to replace all of these item tags with the custom tags?
No, because don't replace those because that's normal potion liquids.
Good thing. Yeah, we shouldn't.
So that's potion liquids, and then we're gonna.
Alright, first we can delete things
Hop
we don't
over
need.
to Zauber. Okay, so now I'm in Zauber.
Where are you? There we are. Night vision can go.
Yep.
Invisibility can go.
We're just gonna rewrite the whole thing.
Alright.
Yep, so that's the longer one. So we'll start with so we have five, six, seven. Okay.
I will start bottom up.
All right. I think we have one too many. Yeah, we do. We have two too many.
Poison. And now we need those custom item MBTs, which we can steal from here. There we go.
Yep, and that just replaces all of those.
I hope Mojang never removes the ability to these custom tags, because that would be devastating.
Yeah.
So basically what we are doing, and why this regeneration. So with items, the items have a tag, which is confusing in itself, but you can add custom tags. You could add any MBT tag to the tag, and those won't get deleted upon MBT phrasing. So we can basically put anything in there and get it using data store. Or data get. And it's like resistant to name changing of the item, like anviling it, like enchanting it and stuff like that. So that's the pros of using that.
It's super useful.
By the way, Special, we should make a trainee version of this module. Or training version that does this. I take it as yes. Why is that?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Can't slap my rabbit like
files.
That. Don't just slap my cat.
Alright, and that should be all we have to do here. So at this point, it should be all set to add liquid to a tank.
Wanna try?
See what happens if we reload. No errors. Wow. Impressive.
Special, I told you, we are professionals here. This is like real pro gaming. Done live on YouTube. Gun sexual, of course. Teens react. I don't think that actually gets you views anymore, does it?
Probably not. Throw that into the tank, see what happens.
Nothing.
This one have the right tag?
Yeah, it has 5 MBT tags, so the old ones had 4, so this does have the right tag. Try another variant here. Speed doesn't do it either. Healing doesn't do it. Harming doesn't do it. Poison doesn't do it. Retain doesn't do it. Strength doesn't do it. Did we do a stupid thing somewhere?
I don't think so. Empty tank. Try some regular old potion to see what it does. Okay, so that's working.
Alright, so it has to be
something in our checking.
Can I do a data get? Data get ads entity ads selected item the tag. GM for Zauber Cauldrons. Item Zauber Potions. Potion Speed. Huh.
It's passing its test, so... Oh, I know why.
Oh, I see now.
We're good. Aha!
There we go.
It wasn't correctly hooked into the system.
Sour Leaping Potion. Can I pull it out?
There we go. Nope, we haven't done that part.
Oh, we should sort of... I can't put another one in, so that's working as intended.
Can you put another one in?
Did you just slap my spider?
No, did not. I don't know what you're talking about. You can put another one in. Awesome.
Coffee just spawned my cat.
Alright, next stage. Draining. We're already halfway there. This is the hard one because this involves color codes.
Color codes are easy now, though.
Well,
oh, we're on 1.13.
Yeah. But that's fine because all you have to do is copy the code from Zauber itself, and we should be fine.
Oh, Mizzo joined our professional pro gamer pro coding stream. Welcome, Mizzo, to the one
welcome,
module.
To rule them all.
To one module to rule them all. This is pushing the boundaries of what's possible here. A leading edge technology, they would say. But we gotta be careful here, special. If we are pushing too far ahead, Trump might decide to block us, and then we can't use Android anymore.
Alright, and here's where we start the filling stuff.
Copy it. How many do we have? 7 times? Should I copy it 7 times?
Yep.
Actually, before we copy it, we should add the Zauber stuff.
No, because this is the glass bottle.
Yeah, but this
oh, you mean like here?
Yeah, there and like. Sauber
harming for this one.
Capital H, yeah. Sauber harming tank.
Alright.
Is this called harming potion or is it Sauber harming potion in the file path?
It doesn't matter because we haven't made that function yet. We can call it either one if you want.
I would go for Sauber harming.
Standard vanilla did harming if you want to.
Yeah, I would go for Sauber harming to make it real.
Alright.
Alright, I'm copying it 7 times though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one too much. There we go. Bottom of strength. Strength. Oh no. Regeneration is a really long word. Oh, it's the speed? Oh well. Healing and harming. Is it all of them? I hope it is.
I think so. Now we gotta make all of these files.
I will just distract fuels with in-game stuff while you're doing that. These are not cats, Toffee. In fact, they're basically anti-cats, because cats, well, large enough cats would attack them.
Alright, jump to me quick.
Jumping to you.
So this is the file that puts the potion back in. So once it's an empty bottle, if it's an empty bottle and the tank has liquid, then it'll replace the empty bottle with the potion item. So this one is Zauber harming. So this replace item up here just needs to be replaced. This NBT just needs to be replaced with the harming potion item ID, item NBT. So I'll let you do that since that's your magic stuff.
For that I need the Zauber files though. Can you open those?
Yeah, let me pull them up. Let's see, where's Zauber?
It should be under cauldron, then crafting, and then potions or something like that. It's pretty structured, so you don't need to worry about where it is. It's like easy to find, easy to locate.
Okay, just keep to my cursor and you should see them all open. Instant damage. Instant health.
For me, you are stuck in Zauber _ harming potion.
See me?
No, you're in Zauber _ harming potion still. I can rejoin the portal. I think that was...
Can you open those files just on your end? Since you won't be modifying them, they should be okay.
Yeah, I can. I got to mute the stream for that for a second. There we go. People can still hear us, but they can't see us anymore.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
I'm not logged into our FTP at the moment, that's why.
Ah, gotcha.
I will just make our stream show whatever. Can I hide this? We will be right back with the image here. I'm just logging into FTP. Cyber quadrants.
There are no util above functions for this.
Alright, can I think we can go back now to the stream? Yeah, there we go. And now we can go back here, I think. Yes, we can. Alright, so here we are again. Potions. What's the first one special? Harming.
Harming, yep.
Instant damage. There's instant damage. And so you said I will just have to place the item here, right? So I will just have to copy the tag.
So right, the whole item, as if you're trying to put it into a chest. Yeah. And I'm gonna start working on the utility functions when you're below a tank.
What is supposed to be in here? Like, can you give me some template code? In Tauber_harming.
There.
There's nothing in there.
Do you not see any file? You're on line 4 of it.
I think we might be decent.
I can close and reopen if you'd like.
That would be good, yeah. Try that. Nope. Let me rejoin the portal here. Cut out the image, sorry guys. Leaving the portal and...
It's weird, it showed you in my file on line 4.
Sometimes it's just... It's a mess, to be honest. Join the portal, there we go. And I can bring back the stream image. There you go guys, welcome back. Cool.
Here we go. Okay.
Copy this.
So if you can lock to my cursor quick, I'm going to open all the files.
1 second. Yep, I'm locked to your cursor.
Alright. Do you see healing?
Healing is there.
Leaping.
There's sleeping.
Poison.
There's poison.
Regen.
Regen.
Speed.
Speed, yes.
And strength.
And strength.
Yep. So all you have to do is put the item data into there. I think you're missing part of your tag though.
Don't think so. Like you don't need a tag.
You're missing the outer. You're missing the outer brackets.
No. Fairly sure.
You didn't have both. I added the one at the beginning and the needed one at the end.
That might be the case. Yeah.
Okay. Woohoo.
Wait. Oh, there we go, yeah. I understand now. What's the next one? Next one is leaping. So we'll go to jump boost. We'll copy a display tag. It's kind of annoying that it's so hard to figure out where the display tag ends, because you have like 10 closing brackets at the end of a command. Yeah, I'm missing this bracket. Am I?
Do you get the little, if you put your cursor in front of a bracket, a little underline under its under that bracket and its corresponding pair?
But it's weird sometimes.
Okay.
There we go. Leaping, jump boost. Harm rake's done. Where's instant health? Instant health. Less poison. Can we just copy these tags in 1.14 special? Like, can we store them on the tank somehow and then just copy
What do you mean, which tags?
Like all of this hard coding the potion types. Is that possible to be stored on a tank armor stand and then?
It might be.
We could store the item in the tank armor stand's head slot or something, and then you could support any potion without. Well, we would still have to whitelist it in some way.
There'd be some weird stuff going on if you wanted extended potions and non-extended potions to interact.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that would be a problem.
And applying an arbitrary potion is not easy. You'd have to summon it as a splash potion or something weird. Yeah. Plus, not everything's a potion.
Yeah, we'd still have to do some
things like enchanted books.
Speed potion. And strength. I must have messed up on one of these. Like, there's no way all of these work. All right, special.
Let's give it a shot. No errors. Hey, would you look at that?
Did we make it?
Yep. And it goes back in and everything.
Let me. There we go. Huh. So can I take it? Oh, this is beautiful.
And it wasn't even too difficult either. Woohoo.
How many did you put in there?
4, I think.
Yep. 5, I think, yeah. No, that's special.
Yep.
There's one thing missing.
Yep.
We don't get the effect yet if you stand underneath.
I'm working on that right now. I have most of the file structure for that started, but
Actually, what I do get an effect, but it's. Wait, did you? Did you do that?
what?
Did you do it already?
Did I do what?
Jump boost?
No, I think it's
Because I got jump boost 1.
Uh-oh. We might not have had the right tag on the... We need to check the item drain functions quick. Or, no, it's tanking it, isn't it? Really? You get...
This jump
That's
is
odd.
fun for sure. Is it that the old liquid tanks only checks for the potion tag?
No. Because then they check for the Minecraft colon.
But these still have the potion tag, so these are still...
But they're a different format, so it doesn't actually register correctly. Because you didn't give it quotation marks. Luckily.
It's a dodgy way, but sure, yeah.
It doesn't have the jump boost tag.
Maybe it auto-translates to the other format? In which case, how...
Oh, I know why. I forgot in my half-finished util stuff, I have the wrong namespace, so it's giving the
liquid
sleeping instead of Zob or liquid sleeping. Okay, we're fine now. What? Speeded it at you.
I didn't see where my cursor was.
Okay, so now we have a function for each liquid as for the entity below it. So they all look something like this.
How long should these last for? Like
however long the potion is.
However long the potion is. I thought there was a slight advantage to taking this way. Taking them this way.
In the 1.8, the original, it had an extra second or two, I think, but that was only because that was needed to help avoid reapplication, I think. Like having a different time than the potion was useful so that you could differentiate whether it came from the tank or from the potion.
Okay, I thought 1.12 didn't have any reapplication prevention at all.
Did it? I thought it did.
Didn't think it did.
Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I thought there was a reason. But that was like 2 years ago now. So.
Alright, so can you... what's the first one you want to know?
This is harming.
Harming doesn't have duration.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
But
so
it's 4.
Instant damage for 0 seconds. Application level of 3, right? Because it's instant damage 4.
Yep.
All right.
Well, actually, I think with the you're using effect GIF, right?
Yes.
Absorption.
Yeah, because it starts at 0.
Starts at 0, yeah. So, I killed my rabbit. Next one?
Healing.
Doesn't have duration, but it's healing 4 and nausea for 8 seconds.
Okay, can you add that while I make the next file? We just add another effect give in here.
Sure.
This function gets run on any entity below the thing. So.
There we go.
Here's leaping.
1 minute 30, that's like 90 seconds.
What level? 4 again?
4, yeah. Oh, damn it,
Alright.
I need to do 8, 0. Can you open instant health again?
Sorry.
This needs to be... Don't you have... Can I? Effect give it as instant health for 0 seconds. Yeah, you got to make it last at least 1 second here. So for healing, you gotta make this one. And for harming, you gotta make duration 1 as well.
Okay. Here's, so we got leaping done. Then.
What's the next one?
Poison.
Poison is 32 seconds.
32 seconds?
32. 32.
Why? Poison 4?
Poison 4 for 32 seconds, yeah.
Why such a random number?
That has a reason to it. That's because the normal poison 2 lasts for 21 seconds. And poison lasts 1 minute 30. I don't know, there was some reasoning behind it.
Okay. Next is regen. There's a side effect to this, isn't there?
Yep, regeneration 4 for 22 seconds. And speed 3 for 16 seconds.
Really? That's a pretty good potion, actually.
People rarely use these though, like...
Because they're so short. You'd use it for like a boss fight, I feel like.
I made some of them longer though. Yeah, basically for a boss fight, but people don't use potions in general because they run out and you've got to replenish them. So I think that contributes to the fact that these are even harder to make.
Yeah. Speed?
Speed, speed is speed 4 for 3 minutes and 20 seconds, which is 180, 200 seconds?
3 minutes and 20 seconds?
Yep. 200.
Yep, 200 seconds. Cool. And then one more, strength.
Oh, get back to speed actually. It also gives you weakness for 6 minutes.
Okay. That is 600. No.
That's 300 plus 60.
360 seconds. 360 seconds.
It's like 360
right?
rhythm, but in seconds. Strength is 1 minute 30, so that's 90 seconds.
Wait, what's the amplifier and weakness? 4?
4, yep.
Okay. The strength is
90 seconds.
level 4. Alright. That should be... Oh, we need to give the IDs. Stuff quick. What's the ID of harming? Oh wait, that doesn't matter. Shoot, how did I do that before? Let me just check quick. Oh, it just didn't check the,
I can't pull up the IDs for you right now, so you will have to handle this.
Can you check the item ID, the item data of the items you have in Minecraft? Just tell me what the,
Oh, I guess I could, yeah.
thing is.
Hmm.
I need leaping, poison, regen, speed, and strength.
So leaping is 8.
Poison?
$19.
Regen?
$10.
Speed? That's 1, right?
Speed is 1.
And strength?
5. I feel like a
Alright,
person that's reading out the lottery numbers on TV. 5.
And that should be
1.
everything
16.
we need.
Alright, let's try this then.
I threw a jump boost in there.
Just stand under there.
Jump boost 4
Just
for
stand
1
under there
minute
again.
30. Alright. Oh.
Seems to work. So you can basically do like 1 heal chambers.
Next one.
There you go.
But you probably want to do instant healing, don't you? The next one.
I wanted to go for the swiftness actually, but that doesn't seem to
Okay,
register.
sound. Let's find out why. Is the tank actually empty? It is, yeah.
Says it's an empty tank. Let me try another here, like... Nope, the tank doesn't accept any anymore. Strength? Nope, oh, it accepted strength there. Accepted jump boost.
We actually haven't tested the rest of them, have we?
Can you get beneath there to drain the thing?
I'm working on it. I gotta use my jump boost to get up there.
Yeah, we haven't tested all.
I want to avoid the killer bunny too.
Is that bunny still down there? Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got regen.
Did you also get speed?
Yep.
It doesn't take poison. Can you step beneath it now?
Did it not take poison?
It didn't take poison. It took that though. It takes instant health. So if you get beneath there, you should get nausea and instant health.
Oh yeah, nausea. I got nausea, yep.
Swiftness. Yeah, so it doesn't take poison. It doesn't take swiftness.
Alright. Can you toss me copy 2 of those potions?
There you go. Maybe we misspelled something there.
GM4 Zauber potion, speed. Run, liquid in it. Oh, we called it speed instead of swiftness. That's gonna bother me, but that's fine. Oh well.
Oh, should we rename it?
No, don't bother. It shouldn't be an issue.
Mizzle is saying, I'm expecting a bowl to appear in the tank.
I will stab someone if that happens. Okay, the reason poison isn't happening is because I misspelled poison as poison.
Poisson. Do you want to do
Poisson.
some statistics here? Poisson distribution.
As for speed, I don't actually know where speed is. I can't actually open the file. So I'm going to do it from my alternative FD client.
From your alternative FTP client.
FileZilla. I don't know if the file is just like not here or what. It has a file size of 0.
That's suspicious.
How peculiar. Yeah, there's nothing in it, that's why. No problem.
Alright. I will just wait for you then.
Yep, I just gotta copy the texture from the original. Where's speed? Oh, it's Swift.
Special. What's better? Jelly bears or chocolate? Or I guess both?
Chocolate.
You could also choose both, like superposition of both is allowed.
I'm not a fan of most gummies, actually.
I really enjoy Skittles, but I don't know what they are made of.
Oh.
And I don't trust the guy
Skittles
in the
are
advertisement. I don't trust the guy in the advertisement. Because he says they are made of giraffe poop. Which is coincidentally a rainbow as well. And I don't trust it at all.
Try speed now?
You want to try it?
Sure. Shut up. Stop it. Get...
Stream, they got me. Or he got me.
Okay, speed works.
Poison?
Last one is poison.
But that's speed, my fault. I will get it out there. There we go, speed.
And poison. Bam.
Poison.
Do you get poison?
Yep.
Awesome.
Poison.
And
Alright.
that is
cool.
everything, I believe.
Yeah, so now you can... We mentioned this at the start of the stream. This is the module to rule them all, because now you can do one-hit liquid tank kill chambers.
As long as you're not attacking an undead mob.
That's very true.
Actually, it probably does 2 hits if you have heart canisters, doesn't it?
I think it has 12 hearts of damage, so yeah, 2 hits if you have heart canisters.
Nifty.
How many uses do you get out of a potion? 1, right?
Yep.
Huh. Yeah, so we finally got this done, which is nice.
Woohoo, it only took 40 extra minutes than I was expecting, but that's fine.
Yeah, alright. Right, thank you for watching then. We'll wrap the stream up here.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thanks for sticking with us. We will of course rename the stream afterwards to... Special, do you have a title for us?
Zauber liquids, maybe?
We need something that's catchy. Like, we won't get viral.
We'll figure something out.
Yeah, alright. Thank you for watching.
Right.
Tune in again next week. On Thursday, as always.
Is Sparks back next week? I'm trying to remember.
I don't think so, but...
Okay. That's fine.
He's on an adventure with our bees. Yeah. So, see you guys. Thanks for watching.
Yep.